New sibling.
New sibling.
It's great to have our family grow.
New sibling.
New sibling.
A brand new little sis or bro.
New sibling.
New sibling. A
Buddy who'll be by my side for life. So happy I got my new sibling. When you first arrive, you're very small. You can't talk, can't throw a ball. I need to be kind and gentle too, but it's so fun for me to help guide you through.
As I start to grow, we've got games to share. Riding on a dragon's back through the air. And if our mom needs help, I know my big bro will be there.
Singing la-da-dee,
La-da-dee.
oh lucky me.
Oh, lucky me.
Forever we'll be together, 'cause we're always family. My new sibling,
New sibling.
a brand new baby girl or boy.
New sibling.
New sibling,
You're filling up our home with joy.
New sibling.
New sibling. A
buddy who'll be by my side for life. So happy I got my new sibling.
Shoo-wop, shoo-wop, what's a match? It's when this goes with that. It's when these go with those. Shoo-wop, shoo-wop, whoa-oh-oh. Toys, toys everywhere. Which ones will we use? Some of them go together. Which one should we choose? Like a bicycle, what goes with it? Roller skates, a baseball mitt, or a helmet? That's right, it's the helmet. Let's ride. Shoo-wop, shoo-wop, what's a match? It's when this goes with that. It's when these go with those. Shoo-wop, shoo-wop. An artist with their set of paints needs to make their art. What thing goes with this to help the painter start? Baseball bat, a paintbrush, or a frying pan? Which one helps you while you paint? Of course, the paintbrush can. A pair is a kind of match when two things work as one. You can use a pair of things to have a lot of fun. A pair of shoes go together. A pair of skates roll together. A pair of wings fly together. Me and you go together. Shoo-wop, shoo-wop, it's a match. And this goes with that. And these go with those. Shoo-wop, shoo-wop, whoa-oh-oh. We call that a match. We get from here to there when we keep moving. Hands and knees on the ground. This is how we crawl around. Keep moving ahead. We can walk, take some steps. Let's see where we're going next. Keep moving. Use your right foot then left. We get our bodies from here to there. And when we move our bodies, we can go anywhere. It all starts with a step. Let's get moving. See how far we can get. Just keep moving. Run. Make those feet go fast, alright. Skip. Using one foot at a time. Hop. Feet together, bend your knees. Do some little hops, then a great big jump with me. It all starts with a step. Let's get moving. See how far we can get. Just keep moving. Crawl, step, walk, run, skip, hop, jump. Just keep moving. We get from here to there when we